Thank you for purchasing the GE water filtration system. Rest assured, you own the most advanced water filtration system on the market. In this video, we'll show you how to install it. Please read the instruction manual and heed all warnings, precautions, and local plumbing codes before installation. Here are the tools you'll need to get started. Safety glasses, a pencil, a utility knife, a Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, a level, and a drill with a 3/32 inch drill bit. In this demonstration, we'll be installing the system on a sink with an open sprayer hole. The manual details the steps needed to cut your own mounting hole. Step 1. Install the inlet supply adapter. Start by turning off the cold water supply. Then, open the faucet to allow water to drain from the line. Disconnect the cold water line from the 1/2 inch threaded stub on the faucet or shutoff valve. Be aware, water from the disconnected line will splash. Install the inlet supply adapter hand tight. Then, secure with a wrench. Now, reconnect the cold water supply line to the newly installed adapter and tighten securely. Step 2. Mounting the faucet. To mount the faucet, place the black rubber gasket around the hole and insert the stem into the hole in the sink. Under the sink, slide the metal washer onto the stem and screw the plastic stem nut until snug. Hand tighten only. Do not use pliers. Now, take the 1/4 inch hose and place the nut, the ferrule, and the insert onto the end. Attach to the faucet stem and tighten hand tight. Lubricate the 2 O-rings on the spout with supplied silicone and insert the spout. While holding it in position, screw the collar onto the base. Step 3. Mounting the system. Select a location under the sink or in the basement where the system will be installed. The cartridges must be mounted vertically. Using a level, hold the head assembly in place and mark the 2 screw holes. The screw holes must be a minimum of 14 inches from the bottom of the cabinet. Now, pre-drill 2 pilot holes with a 3/32 inch drill bit. Screw in the supplied mounting screws, leaving 1/8 inch clearance between the wall and the head of the screw. Now, mount the head assembly, tighten the screws, and snap on the head assembly cover. Step 4. Connecting the faucet. Locate the 1/4 inch white tube from the faucet and measure to the outlet of the head assembly. Cut the hose to correct length. Cut the hose squarely at a 90-degree angle. Then, make a mark 5/8 of an inch from the end of the tubing. Wet the end of the tube and insert it into the head assembly until the mark is flush with the quick connect fitting. Give the tube a slight tug to ensure a tight connection. Step 5. Connecting the supply adapter. The next step is to measure the length of the plastic tubing to connect the head assembly to the cold water supply adapter. Again, cut squarely to length and make a mark 5/8 of an inch from both ends. Wet one end and insert it into the inlet of the head assembly. The mark should be flush with the collar of the fitting. Wet the other end of the tubing and insert it into the cold water supply adapter. The mark should be flush with the collar. Step 6. Install the filter cartridge. While keeping one hand on the head assembly, insert the cartridge until it slides into position. Now, rotate the cartridge clockwise 1/4 turn until it locks into place. Step 7. System operation. Turn on the cold water supply and check for leaks. Now, turn on the drinking water faucet and let it run for 5 minutes to flush the filter. The system is ready for operation. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.